Welcome to my channel RR into your kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and don't forget to click bell icon to get new notifications.
Hello friends, today's recipe is spicy juicy flavorful chicken Seekh Kebabs with Portuguese style delicious spicy peri peri rice. These chicken Seekh Kebabs are so juicy and tender, you just can't stop yourself from trying this dish. So without any delay, let's start the preparation. First, to prepare peri peri rice, soak 1 cup of basmati rice in water for 30 minutes. For making chicken kebabs, take a blender or a food processor. To this, add 750 grams boneless breast chicken pieces. You can also use minced chicken. To this, add half chopped onion, 3 to 4 green chilies, small ginger, 2 peeled garlic pods, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, handful of roughly chopped coriander, handful of roughly chopped mint, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons lemon juice, and pulse it until everything get minced. Don't make like a puree, and transfer to a mixing bowl. Now check the salt and add salt according to your taste. I am adding 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 2 teaspoons chicken masala powder, and half teaspoon chaat masala. Now mix and combine all ingredients together. Make sure not to overmix for long time, it will make kebabs stiff. Just mix everything and check for salt and spicy level. Adjust according to your taste. Now cover it and let it rest for minimum 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the rice. Heat the pan. To this, add 2 teaspoons coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin, 3 to 4 dry red chilies. Lightly roast on a low flame until spices leave a nice aroma and blend this to a fine powder. Next, to the same pan, add 2 to 3 teaspoons oil. Heat oil on a medium flame. Once oil is hot, reduce the flame to low and add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons blended masala powder. Saute for few seconds. Next, to this, add soaked basmati rice. Saute on a medium heat for a minute. Next, add 1.5 cups water, 1 teaspoon salt. Stir well with the water. Now cover and cook on a low flame until rice is done. It will take around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take out the lid. Now you can see all the water absorbed and rice cooked. Our peri peri rice is ready. Turn off the flame, cover it and leave it for some time. After 30 minutes, chicken marinated well. Now we'll shape the kebabs. Take wooden skewers like this. No need to soak them in water unless you grill the kebabs or you deep fry them in oil. Take a small portion of minced chicken and roll into a ball. Gently press and squeeze the mixture to the skewer like I am showing here. Gently press with fingers. If you feel meat sticks on your palms, just wet your hands with a little water and do it. Just give a shape. You can also store these in airtight container in fridge for 5 days. Chicken kebab is ready, keep it aside. Now repeat the process with the remaining mixture. Now we'll fry the kebabs. Heat the tawa on a medium flame. Grease the tawa with oil. Now gently place chicken kebabs on the tawa. Now brush all the kebabs with oil and cook on a medium flame. Keep flipping skewers to cook chicken from all the sides. Make sure to cook on a medium flame. Now repeat the process until chicken cooks and lightly roasted from all the sides. Make sure not to over roast because they will lose their juiciness. Once chicken kebabs are lightly roasted, turn off the flame and transfer to the plate. Now you can see chicken Seekh kebabs turned out so good. They are so juicy and tender. Just dip it in a hot peri peri sauce and enjoy the dish. Our spicy peri peri rice and chicken Seekh kebabs are ready. Definitely try this recipe and let me know in the comments if you like it. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel RR into your kitchen for more delicious recipes.